Today I 3D printed a mini airless basketball. I scaled it down to the size of a tennis ball. Side note, I also learned in this process that tennis balls have a range of official sizes. I thought that was interesting, and now you know it too. This airless basketball is printed in PLA because it needs the stiffness to be bouncy, and flexible TPU filament can sometimes be too soft. I only used a small base brim and no supports, so this is actually a great test of a 3D printer, and the A1 Mini easily passes this test. It's actually quite bouncy, but not very durable. It still looks cool though. What do you think? Should I start using this as a standard 3D printer test?